In this video, I am going to show you how to use Wispr Flow AI as a complete beginner. Just click on Get Started on Windows at the top right or here on the middle. Once you do it, they will ask you, of course, to sign up into an account. So here, you'll need to save the .exe file. So let's just wait for it until it's downloaded. Done. Just double click on it. So once it's opened for you, your first time as example, so it will look something like that. Let me just do this. And as you can see, you'll have to wait a bit. So this might take up to 30 seconds. Once you do so, here, first of all, you'll have to sign up. So sign in via the browser. So you'll get a page like this. Open Wispr Flow. You're logged in. You can close this window now. Click on this and make sure to open it. Once you do so, you'll find yourself with this page. So here you'll have to answer some questions, example, what you do for work and stuff like that. Keep answering those questions, example. So where do you spend time typing as example? Just say, I don't know, coding, whatever. Here as an example, do you see purple bars while you speak? If you do see it, that means it detects your microphone. If it doesn't, you'll have to click on change microphone, specifically if you have multiple, and choose this specific microphone that you're using. If it does, just click on yes. And here, do the buttons turn purple when you press them? For example, press on Control and see if it turns purple. And the same will be for the Windows key. So make sure to use both keys. You can edit the shortcuts however you want. As an example, instead of Windows, as an example, or Control Windows, you can change it to whatever you want. Up to you, just click on this here and choose, as an example, Control S, Control Windows, whatever you want. Keep in mind that some of the default shortcuts will not work. As an example is Control S because this is for saving normally. So you'll have to do something that is not the usual. So here you can choose hands-free mode, press enter, a lot of things here to be added on shortcuts. It's up to you to change them however you want. So I'm going to keep it as it is. And as an example, clicking on both options turns them purple. So you can just go and click on yes now. And here you can click into the text field. As an example, if you can. So click on the text field here and hold down Control Windows and say something. So I'm going to see something and let's see if it's gonna be detected here. Hey, this is me, and I'm just testing these things out to see if it's working correctly. Let's remove my hand, and as you can see, hey, this is me. I'm just testing these things out to see if it's working correctly. So it's basically what I said. You can now send it whatever you want as an example. So let's just click on continue since it's working normally. You can see how it works, an example, also on the emails. Hey, this is Alex. I hope you found this email good. Are you available tomorrow at 4 p.m.? As an example. Try again, tap 2 times. Let's just do it again. Hey, this is me. I am just asking if you are available tomorrow at 4 p.m. So, okay, that's my bad because they asked me to double tap. For example, tap once and tap twice. Once you do that, it will start recording your voice without you holding it. So you'll have basically to double tap it. Once you double tap it, it will start recording what you say and it will not stop until you click on the control windows to finish. So example, now I'm clicking on Windows Control or Control Windows and it will finish as you can see. You can try again and as you can see, click in here, double tap on it. Once you double tap, it will start recording without you holding any keys. If you click on Windows or Control Windows again, it will stop. And as you can see, it will basically did or type what we said exactly. So to try it once again, I'm just going to say simple text. Click on here. Hi, this is me. Let's meet tomorrow at 4 p.m. Close it. As you can see, hey, this is me. Let's meet tomorrow at 4 p.m. Click on continue since it's working. Here you can do the same for notes. So you can hold if you want. So for holding, you'll have to keep pressing your fingers to talk. If you want to just double tap and remove your fingers, for example, you're going to talk too much, you can do it. So it's up to you. Example, here I double tapped on Control on Windows keys. Now I can speak however I want and freely. Example, let's say what's said there. I want to pick up a few things from the store, bread, potato chips, ice cream. Click on Control Windows to finish, and it will basically type what we said, as we said. So you can try again, can continue here. you should be very good. So you can see the average typing speed, my voice speed as an example. If you talk faster, of course, you'll be able to type faster, and it's up to you. So you'll be able to choose here how much time or you type in per day, and you can basically test your typing speed also here if you want. If you think, as an example, that you type faster, so you can go and do it as an example. I don't know. You can, of course, do whatever you want. You can finish those like seconds, and at the end, you will be able to see how much is your typing speed. Of course, normally for you, you can choose later if you have an example or if you want to be like talking formal, so they can add everything for you. So for me, I'm not going to type anymore and just see here. You can see as an example that's typing faster. Click on continue here. Click on grades. You should be finished as example. So you can invite also your people, and you'll be able to get a free month when they dictate at least 2,000 words. So it's good if you want to invite your friends to it. Click on finish here. Example here, you can choose how you'd like to use it first. You can example choose write a message. Click on try it now, and you can open Slack on any messenger example app, and you'll be able to start using it there. As simple as that. Keep in mind that, as an example, you'll be able to get your free month if you invite people. Also, let me just go back to settings here. You can change, of course, the shortcuts from here as well. Let me just go to accounts. So, or let's just go to plans and billings. So keep in mind that you are on a free trial that will be for 14 days. But if you want, you can just use the free option, which will give you 2,000 words per week on desktop. Also 1,000 words per week, as example on iOS and Android as well, and many other features if you want. If you want to continue with the plan, as example, you'll have to enter your card and pay your plan. So it gets an example unlimited works and words and everything. But for now, for 14 days or after 14 days, it will be removed and you'll not be able to use it anymore. So here you'll be able to see just a summary, how many words per minute, how many days that you're using. You can see your voice profile. You can see the words, 100 words per day challenge. It's just a challenge example to let's use example, use it more. And yeah, you can use it however you want. Example, you can add example dictation languages. So here you have many languages to be added. Or you have this auto detect where you just talk example, whatever language you want, and it will detect it with no issue. So yeah, that's how you basically use Flow. All you need to do now is example. As example here, open Discord, and we're going to try to use it here. So click on Windows or Control Windows. For me, I'm going to click on it twice, so I don't want to keep holding it. So hi, this is me, and I'm trying this Wispr Flow on Discord. Is this working good? Click on the Control Windows, and it should work. So hi, as example, this is me. I'm trying this Whisper. And as example, sometimes you'll find mistakes like this one. You can either fix it or just delete it and start over. Hi, this is me. I'm trying Whisper Flow on Discord. Example. So hi, this is me. I'm trying Whisper Flow on Discord. As you can see, very easy and very simple to use. You can use it wherever you want or however you want. And you should be good to go normally with no issues. As you can see here, you have many things to see, but those are not like important. Since you are a beginner, it's enough what you learned today. The most important, as example, part is basically this style. You have the formal style if you want to basically have caps plus punctuation, casual, which has caps plus less punctuation, or very casual, no caps, less punctuation. Example, if you're going to use it just for, I don't know, talking to friends or whatever you want. And of course, you can use it on many places. You have this transform option to polish, to prompt engineer example, to create your own example, your prompts to do some specific stuff. And you have, of course, here your scratch pad. So many things to be added or to be used in Flow, specifically if you want to use it every day. That could be, or that's would be enough as an example for you as a beginner. And that's basically how you use Whisper Flow for AI or Flow AI for beginners. If you found this helpful, hit that like and subscribe button and watch our next video.